38, traffic departing runway 13, later jet caution, wait terminal 6, give me a slight left turn, and traffic you're following is ahead and to left on down.
838 has the traffic on down, one will follow, and then we'll be aware of the weight turbulence for Zulu Airjet. Hate it when they talk to you right when you're taking off.
Right.
Okay.
401 Papa, runway 13 left, clear to stop and go.
Clear to stop and go, 13 left, 401 Papa.
Flight of 33, contact failed departure, good flight. 03 Foxtrot, turn left on A1, copy ground, good day.
97, take a look.
Okay, so make a nice little left turn. Okay, and we'll be following this guy down one.
Run 62 off lane, Mark Tower, short runway 13, waiting at power release. November 3944 Whiskey Boeing Tower, short runway 13, number 2. Commander 2 up lane, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff, caution wing turbulence, clear, departed ahead. 838, number 2, following Cessna on base, runway 13 left, clear for the option.
838, number 2, following traffic on base. Fly to the hospital?
Yeah.
Okay.
F3 Mike X-ray, I have an aircraft that'd like to taxi through that section and advise when ready to do a pattern again.
There's our airplanes, yeah.
3 Mike X-ray, traffic departing 13 right,
Okay.
Twin Commander straight out.
Carburetor heat out.
Clear to land.
You got it? Okay. Power down, there, you got it, fine. Power down to 1500, 1500. Go ahead. Power, pull. Go ahead, pull it.
Air 2 Alpha Lima, contact failed departure, good flight.
More, bring more.
November 44 Whiskey, traffic on runway 13 left, doing a stop and go thing and left close, Cessna, runway 13 right.
Can you put
clear
the,
for takeoff.
your sun visor up?
Sure.
Thanks.
Okay. Okay, so we've descended 200 feet. So now make a gentle turn to the left, gentle turn to the left. There we go. Okay, while you're turning to the left, put in 20 degrees of flaps. June, 20 degrees of flaps.
Yeah.
Go ahead, put 20. Very good, okay. See, the nose wants to come up, so. Level the wings. There you go. Look at the runway. We're going to turn toward the runway. Okay, so the numbers should sit right on top of the nose. See that? Like the numbers are just sitting right on top of the cowling.
Boeing Tower, helicopter 90680, over Long Acres, request landing at pad 6 with Victor. 90680, Boeing Tower, Port South Wires. Port South Wires, 680. Tango November 44 Whiskey, contact failed departure, good flight. Well, 1070 at 3. 1 Papa, runway 13 left, clear for the option.
Lift the option 13 left, 40 Papa, and after this we'll depart back to the north.
10 Papa, roger, after the option, left, downwind approved.
Roger, left downwind departure approved after the option, 401 Papa.
6838, contact 9.9, have a good day, thanks for hanging around.
838, thanks for your help. Oh no, what alpha number am I on? Oh, Alpha 4. Boeing ground, 5083 Alpha 4 for Northeast Parking.
838, Boeing ground, taxi to Northeast Parking via Alpha.
Northeast Parking via Alpha 838. Okay, so go ahead and advance the throttle. You're not done yet. You're not done. Advance the throttle, you're taxiing. And go to the left. Oh no, push your, yeah. There you go. You don't need to worry about this. You can take your hands off this. Take your hands loose. You steer with the feet.
But you don't have to hold on to the yoke now.
You don't have to hold on to the hands free. See? Steer with your feet.
Ground November 19120, Victor, I'd like to stay in the pattern. I'd like to taxi back for the full runway on the right.
Delta 92120, Boeing ground, taxi northbound on Bravo, hold short of Alpha 7 intersection.
Did you enjoy it? Was that fun?
Bravo.
120, Bravo to the end, we'll hold short at 7 for the helicopter.
Actually, it looks like it clouded up quite a bit to the north.
It does, doesn't it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Go get lunch after this.
Yeah. Julie Mays?
Julie Mays, we can go to the Museum of Flight, whatever.
Okay.
Oh,
that's right, they have a cafeteria, don't they?
Yeah.